selling stock photos. And that's because nowadays people have an amazing camera just waiting to be used on the back of their phone, and it can do a whole lot more than just take a subpar picture of a mountain range. Why do mountains always look puny in photos? I'm not sure why, but anyways, this is a huge market, stock photos. They are used in websites, articles, advertisements, posters, you name it, they're used all over the place and people are paying to use those. And the best part of selling stock photos is once you take that picture, you can sell it forever and never touch it again. So zero maintenance on any quantity of photos. You can also reuse and resell your photos on multiple different stock photo platforms. It doesn't have to just be limited to one platform. All you need to do is go out and start taking random pictures of objects, places, or facial expressions. If your friends will model for you, you list them and you start collecting royalties as people use them. Now, commissions can be small, but it's relatively easy to do. And like I said, once you take the picture, you can use it forever. And some stock photos end up being used all over the place or for national campaigns and make a ton of royalties. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.